So we were super excited that we finally got the new 3.2 liter motor into our Boxster S. But when we went to start it, this is what the hell happened. Nada. Nothing. Nothing happens. So, we checked the switch and the clutch pedal down here. That was all good. But as you can see, we bypassed it just to make sure. We checked all the fuses. They were good. We know that there was no water in the system, as it hasn't rained down here in Phoenix the whole entire summer, practically. We checked the immobilizer under the seat. Its fuse wasn't blown. It's a small mini 15 amp fuse. It wasn't blown. So what the hell? The only thing we can figure is that the pill that's inside the Boxster key, or the 996 key, has gone south. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the key, the immobilizer under the seat, and the computer in the back rear trunk, and send them off to get tested to see if that's the issue. We're hoping it's just a bad key pill, and for a few $100 we can get a new key and we're back on the road. We do not want any issues with that immobilizer or that ECU or DME. So let's start pulling some stuff out and see if we can't get this shipped off and find out what our problem is. Okay, first things first, before we do anything, disconnect the battery. Let's get this battery done. Okay, now we're assured no issues. So the first thing we got to do is get to the immobilizer, which is underneath the driver's seat. The problem is there's videos and there's people that say you can slide it forward and get to it. However, I just found it easier to take out the 4 bolts and take the whole seat out. And while it's out, I'm going to go ahead and get it redone and make it look a little nicer for when this car is up and driving. So let's get that seat out of here now. So here is your immobilizer, or your PAS. It's connected, 2 harnesses down here. All we got to do is take this bolt and twist it a little bit and then slide it forward and out. Let's do that real quick. All right, 1 screw coming, just turn it, and you'll see right down there, that turns. This should lift up, wiggle, 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 and there we go. Now we just gotta undo those 2 connectors. So, this connector here just comes squeezing those tabs, and you can pull that one right out. This one, little blue tab that has to go down, and then this comes forward. Let me show you that. Push in. There it is. And then when you do that, and then that will come out. Next, you have the antenna for your key responder, and that just simply pulls out like that. And now you have your immobilizer. And we did check the fuse earlier and it was fine. Okay, well, now to the back, to the trunk. We need to get the ECM out. So back here under the trunk, and we've removed the carpet. This is where your computer is, right here. Now we noticed there's a sticker or a piece of paper attached to our DME. And when we zoom in on it, it says it's from another Porsche, still a 2001, but it's for a 2.7, not a 3.2. But it ran with the old motor, and we verified that the old motor was definitely a 2001 3.2 engine. So we still think it's that pill. So let's pull this out. It's pretty simple. Just a few little bolts that hold it up there and down there, and we can get this thing out and disconnected. Remember, these here simply pull out like so, and then these here have that little button that you have to push in. Let's see if I can do this. And then out they come. And we'll go ahead and do that for the other ones there. Okay, all the wires are off. Let's get in there with that 10mm. Get that loose. And we'll come up here. Get that one loose. And that one there. Okay, we'll pull those off and take the unit out. Okay, let's get this boxed up and sent to ECU Doctors in Florida. Let's see how long this will take. Probably a couple weeks, I'm sure, with shipping and all.
Eventually.
Sweet. Well, it took a week to be sent off to ECU Doctors in Florida, and they had it for a couple days, and they sent it back to us. So it's been about a week and a half, 2.5 weeks or so. Opening up the box, they sent us a cool little matchbox. However, it's not a Porsche. So, yeah, come on, guys. Come on. Inside, they have repackaged up that looks like the back computer, the ECU. That's back there in the trunk. All good to go looking. Sweet. Oh, has your name on it. And let's see what else next is. The key. I had them go ahead and repair the key as well. The back rubber buttons were all the shit, so I just had them replace that and give it a little bit of a tune-up. And there's our immobilizer. This, as they said, was the problem. It had some water damage to it, and they said could not be repaired, so they had to replace it for me. And so here's our new unit, and a little sticker there on the side saying that it's new, and some instructions. Sweet. All right. Well, I am eager to find out if this is going to solve our problem in our Boxster from not starting. So let's put this all back in here, and let's head out to the garage and see what we can figure out. All right. So let's get the ECU back in play. You can see there's two bolts, two studs on top, and there's going to be one on the bottom. And you can kind of tell by the little tabs where they were before. So just kind of line those up. And let's push this in here. Get this in. Come on. God. That's good. All right. And we'll find our nuts. And we'll put those on. Those are 13mm. Just going to put them on hand tight for now. And we'll tighten those down a little bit here. Get in there. And one more. That should get us right there. At least now it's secured to the car. And cables. Cables just plug straight in the same way you took them out. Start at the bottom and work your way up. And bada boom, bada bing. Alright, so now inside the car, we're going to take our immobilizer. And remember, there's two connectors plus the antenna. So we'll go ahead and get that in place. And now that it is, take the screwdriver and just lock it down. That way it is secure. Okay, let's try this. Mobilizer's fixed. The ECU's been updated to the 3.2 liter motor. Okay, we got lights. Let's find out what happens.